Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to upload your custom font to your WIX website. Let's get started. So first go to your WIX website editor and on the left panel here, click on Add Elements, then just click on Add Heading. And then click on Edit Text right here. And let's click on this Fonts drop-down menu and down here, click Upload Fonts. This will open a new tab which shows that WIX supports TTF, OTF, WOFF, and WOFF2 files. And up here, just click on Upload Fonts. And then this will open your file manager and just click on the font you want to upload. And then click Open. After WIX uploaded your font, just click on the Done button down here. And then to use your font, just open the drop-down again. And here, just look for all fonts and then click on Uploaded Fonts. And then click on the font that you just uploaded. And that is how you can easily upload your own font to your WIX website. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.